Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azaria Sakina Ramadhani Nixon, and today I will explain about the bee, the body part, and the benefit from honey that produced by the bee. Bees are dependent on pollen as a protein source and on flower nectar or oil as an energy source. Adult females collect the pollen primarily to feed their larvae. The pollen they inevitably lose in going from flower to flower is important to plants because some pollen lands on the pistils or reproductive structure of other flowers of the same species, resulting in cross-pollination. Bees are in fact the most important pollinating insects, and their interdependence with plants make them an excellent example of the type of symbiosis known as mutualism, an association between unlike organisms that is beneficial to both parties. Most bees have specialized branched or feathery body hair that help in the collection of pollen. Female bees have a defensive sting, and some bees produce honey from a flower nectar. Honeybees and stingless bees commonly hoard large quantities of honey as a characteristic that is exploited by beekeepers, who harvest the honey for human consumption. The body of honeybees is divided into three major parts, which are the head, thorax, and abdomen. The first is head. The head of the bee is dominated by two large compound eyes. There are three small eyes between the compound eyes, and the bee's vision is different from that of human. The second is thorax. It is the middle part of the bee body where the legs and the wings are attached. Each pair of legs perform different activities of the bee's grooming and for pollen collection. The third is abdomen. It is where the digestive and reproductive organs are located. The sting is located at the end of the abdomen. Being a social insect, a honeybee can fly about 15 miles per hour, collect nectar from flower to flower, and bring it back to the hive. There are three types of bees with varying duties inside the hive. The first one is the queen who lays the egg. The second is the workers who basically do much of the work like gathering food, tending to eggs, building honeycombs, and guarding the hive. And the third is the drones. The drones are the male bees whose main duty is to mate with the queen. Bees are hardworking insects. They live together in a nest called a hive. There is one queen bee in each hive. She is the largest bee in the hive. There are 100 of worker bees. The worker bees fly from a flower to flower for gathering a sweet liquid called nectar. They make honey from the nectar and store it in a little room in the hive. Each little room is a cell, and many cells in a row make honeycomb. All the bees in the colony probably contribute to the process of changing nectar into honey and in the air conditioning of the colony to maintain a suitable temperature and humidity as follows. By the first one, bees under 3 days old clean the cell for the queen to lay in and for the food storage. The second, bees of 3 to 7 days old feed the older larvae. The third, bees of 7 to 14 days old secrete a royal jelly for feeding the queen, and they secrete a wax for the comb building. And the fourth, the bees of 14 to 21 days old forage primarily for pollen. And the fifth, bees over 21 days old is forage for nectar. The bees have an accurate language based upon characteristic dances, odor, and taste perception. When a foraging bee is located a source of pollen or nectar, she can communicate this information to other bees in the colony accurately as to direction, distance from the hive, and the kind of plants supplying it. Okay, after explain about the bees and the body part of the bees, I will explain about the honey from the bee. The honey has many benefits, such as the first one is strengthens immunity. It contains antioxidants that help protect body cells from damage caused by free radicals. The second is relieves a cough. It is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can relieve the throat irritation and reduce the coughing. The third is improved digestion. It contains the enzyme and probiotics that support the growth of good bacteria in the intestines. And the fourth is the health wounds. It is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help speed up wound healing. And the fifth is increases energy. It is a source of glucose that provides a quick and natural energy for stamina. The sixth is the improve the sleep quality. It can be help increase the production of melatonin, is the hormone that regulates the sleep. The seventh is the maintain skin health. It is help soften, brighten, and treat the problems such as the acne. The eighth, to reduce the risk of heart disease. It can help lower blood pressure and protect the heart cells. The ninth is maintains a reproductive health. It can help with the fertility and balance the hormone. And the tenth is prevents the anemia. It contains the folate and iron, which are important for the red blood cell formation. And for the 11th is improves the memory. The antioxidant in honey can protect the hippocampus, the part of the brain involved in memory. And the 12th is maintain oral health. The antioxidant in honey play an important role in oral health. Okay, I think just that all I can say. Thank you so much for your attention. And I hope you guys understand. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.